Let's create.
Caldo Verde. Caldo Verde is a Portuguese traditional stew. In essence, Caldo Verde in English means green stew. It's very simple. Get some collard greens or kale. You can get kale too. Make sure you have some potatoes. I go with the white potatoes. I peel them. 3 or 4 teeth of garlic, onion. Make sure you have some extra virgin olive oil, salt, and then you have a choice. You either go with the chorizo. This one is Portuguese, or you go with the linguica, which is a sausage. I went with the chorizo. Very simple. Let me cut the stems because I don't need that. Now what you're going to do, you're going to wash them in cold water and then you're going to dry them, okay? They're very nice looking. So what I did, I just ran some cold water, grab a towel, kind of pat them down. So you're going to take the thicker part of the stem, very easy, do something like this. And then cut it. And you do the same. Let's fold this one. Do the same with the other ones, okay? Go here. Fold. I'm going to put on top of your shoulder. This is what you're going to do. You're going to roll them like a cigar, or you know what. And then you're going to cut them very thin. Very thin. That cut is sufficient, but I don't want them too long like this. You can leave it like that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it around. And I'm going to cut it in the other side. To make them smaller. Cut the garlic thin. See? Very thin. And do the same with the other three. Come to use half an onion. You can use entire onion if you want to. I'm going with half. And I'm going to chop it, okay? Just going to chop it. Pot preheating at a medium high right now. Just to preheat. Add some extra virgin olive oil. Not a lot. Not a lot. Maybe a tablespoon would do. What you're going to do, I like to kind of cook a little bit the chorizo. You don't have to, you can cook it actually with the actual stew when you have the water and stuff. But I like to create some flavor as a base from the chorizo itself. So I'm going to let it cook. I don't want it fry. I say maybe a couple minutes, maybe 3 minutes. I just wanted to maybe darken it a little bit, if you know what I mean. Let's have a couple minutes each side. 2 minutes in one side, 2 minutes on the other. Let me get it out here. Testing. Now you add the onion. And all I'm doing is sauteing this onion. Have a medium heat. Ah, smells delicious. Garlic. Do the same. You're going to do this for about 45 seconds. So the white potatoes, I cut them like this. You can leave them, you can cut them in half, doesn't matter. You just want to make them look even so they can cook evenly. Cut them in a fashion that they're pretty much even, somewhat. So I'm going to add this stuff with the potatoes. And I'm not going to cook a lot, but I have a relatively big pot so you can see what I'm doing. Let's mix everything up. So what I'm going to do now, add water. If you have chicken stock, you can do that too. Just put sufficient water that can submerge. You're not making soup, you're making stew. Medium heat. And I'm going to let this cook for about 20 minutes or until the potatoes are soft, okay? Let's go with 20-25 minutes first. Medium high. It's been about 15 or so minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add again the chorizo. So I want to make sure it cooks in the middle. And I'm going to let this go from another, I say 6-7 minutes. Because this is about these potatoes. I don't know, I say about maybe, it could be 10 minutes. I have to make sure these potatoes are ready. It's about 6-8 minutes. Yeah, 6 or 8 minutes. This time with this chorizo, because I want the chorizo, I want to ensure it's cooking the inside, okay? Let's leave it at medium. Let me remove the sausage. Potatoes are soft. Now comes the fun part. Submergible blender. Let me put it low. And I'm going to blend these potatoes. Make sure they're perfectly blend, okay? Let me take a look. If you feel this is too thick, make sure you add some more water, okay? And this might be too thick. So let's put a little bit more water. Sausage, cut it in pieces. Medium heat, going to add the chorizo to the soup. And I decided to add it because I want the flavor to mix. Now you bring your greens. And this is going to reduce, by the way. Mix it well. Let's say this is going to take about 5 minutes, right? Let me make it a couple notches above medium. It's about 5 minutes. And going to give this a taste, okay? Going to give it a taste. Definitely need salt. Add the salt that you need to your taste. Mix it up again. Hopefully you have enough water. As I said, if you need to add a little bit more, you can do that. If you want this stew to, have some stew, So let it go for 5 minutes, okay? 5 minutes later, put a few drops of oil. Just a few drops. That's about a couple teaspoons. Here we have it. It's ready.